We had begun to. We've begun an honorable exit from Afghanistan. And not a single Chinese spy balloon flew across the United States of America. 4 years. Had I been the Secretary of State and a Chinese spy balloon flew across our country, I would have been the former Secretary of State. And rightfully so. You know, under President Trump, the Chinese Communist Party, which to this day presents the greatest threat to our nation from outside of our country, we confronted it like never before.
Alam mo, hindi sila sinet up yun eh.
Ha?
Yung killer, nandun pala sa lugar 30 minutes before the shooting. Nagmaman-man-man-man. Yung killer.
Sarap,
O, nasa yung mga Secret Service at police.